How to fix photos disappearing issue in Samsung F36. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then scroll down and click on gallery. Now click on storage usage. Now here you can clear data and cache memory of gallery. After clear data and cache memory, then go back to the main page of your home screen and open your gallery. Now click on albums and here you can see the option menu. Now click on it and then click on recycle bin. Now here you can see all your deleted photos or videos. Here you can select it and recover it and also delete it. After that, go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.